Welcome to Mississippi Southern Bankruptcy Court's instructional video for the debtor's certification and motion for entry of discharge. This video will provide instruction on the filing of the debtor's certification for discharge after planned payments have been completed in a Chapter 13 case. A printed version of the information contained in this video can be found in the Court's ECF Docketing Guide, published on the Court's website under the Electronic Case Filing tab. Standing Order 2013-03, which is cited in this video, is also available for download or viewing from our website under the Rules, Orders, Procedures tab. This instructional video will identify when in the course of a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case the certification and motion for entry of discharge should be filed. It will also cover the requirements for the certification and motion, and it will demonstrate the filing steps using the proper event, all to equip you to successfully file a certification and motion for entry of discharge with our court. Title 11 of the U.S. Code Section 1328 and Standing Order 2013-03 set forth the requirements for obtaining a discharge in a Chapter 13 case. After the debtor has completed all of their planned payments to the trustee will file a Notice of Completion of Planned Payments. This notice to the debtor and debtor's counsel signifies that it is time to file a certification and motion for entry of discharge if a discharge has not been denied or waived. The debtor will have 30 days after this notice to file a motion using Local Form M13-1 or alternatively a motion that substantially conforms to this local form. Local Form M13-1 is available on our website under the Forms and Fees tab. Both the debtor and joint debtor, if it's a joint case, as well as the debtor's counsel must sign this motion. For clarification, this means that a debtor's attorney may not sign on behalf of a debtor. Each must individually sign. The debtor must then serve a copy of the completed motion on all creditors and parties in interest as listed on the court's mailing matrix. This mailing matrix should be included with your filing. Once the certification and motion for entry of discharge has been prepared, served, and saved in PDF format, you are ready to file it with a court. You will see why it is necessary to serve the motion prior to filing in the filing demonstration that follows. To file your certification and motion for entry of discharge, from the CMECF menu bar, click Bankruptcy, then Motions/Applications. Scroll through the Available Events column and locate Entry of Discharge with Certification and 21-Day Notice and click to select it. Verify your selection in the Selected Events column, then click Next. Without selecting Joint Filing with Other Attorney, click Next. And on the Party screen, select the debtor or debtors if a joint case, then click Next. Click Browse to locate, view, and attach the prepared certification and motion for entry of discharge with certificate of service and matrix. We recommend always viewing your PDF document before uploading in the system. You can view your document by right-clicking on the file and selecting Open in Adobe. After viewing your document, click Open to upload your document. Then click Next. The objection deadline for the motion will be calculated by the CMECF system based upon your date of service. This screen will show you a reminder message that when the calculated objection deadline falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or legal holiday, the deadline will be the end of the next business day. The message will additionally refer you to see Federal Rule of Bankruptcy Procedure 9006 if you would like additional information. After entering the date of service, click Next. The following screen will show the objection deadline calculated by the system. Click Next on this screen. On the docket text screen, verify that the information showing is correct. You can use the text field to input any additional information necessary, and if you're filing an amended motion, use the pick list at the beginning of the text to select Amended. If any of the information is incorrect, such as the date of service, abort the filing process and start over. To abort the transaction, click on any option from the CMECF menu bar, such as Bankruptcy, Adversary, Reports, and so forth. Once you have verified the information, click Next, and review the final docket text screen carefully, as this is your last chance to abort the filing. If any information is incorrect, click any option from the CMECF menu bar, as shown before, to cancel the filing. If the information is correct, click Next. The Notice of Electronic Filing is your verification that you have successfully filed the certification and motion for entry of discharge with a court. The Notice of Electronic Filing screen provides a link to the bankruptcy case and a document number and link for the document that you filed. Both of these PACER links are underlined in blue. Thank you for viewing this instructional video for the debtor's certification and motion for entry of discharge. To view other training videos, visit the court's YouTube page at the address listed on this screen, or click on the YouTube training video link available on our court's homepage. Additional filing resources are also available on our homepage at www.mssb.uscourts.gov. If you have any questions regarding filing procedures, please call the clerk's office in Gulfport or Jackson during normal business hours, and a staff member will gladly assist you.